Hello everybody. In this video, I am going to give an update on my portfolio and show you all of my positions. Let's get started. So right now my portfolio is worth $122,118.63. In the past year, I am up $14,466.50. Year to date, I am down $28,358.32. Today was a slightly green day for me. I was up $564.06. Let's go over my options. I am selling Amazon $195 covered calls. These expire May 2nd. My return $102. I'm selling Delta Airlines $40.50 covered calls. These expire May 2nd. My return $57. I'm selling Robinhood $35 covered calls. These expire May 2nd. My return, I am down $2,160. I'm selling Disney $100 covered calls. These expire May 30th. My return $4. I'm selling Target $110 covered calls. These expire May 30. My return $52. I'm selling Google $170 covered calls. These expire June 6. My return $189. I'm selling SoFi $15 covered calls. These expire May 6. My return $64. I'm selling AMD $95 covered calls. These expire June 20. My return $2,960. For my cryptocurrencies, I have Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Avalanche. For my stocks, I have 300 shares of Amazon. Amazon is at $186.47. My average cost, $226.06. My return, I am down $11,876.82. I have 6,400 shares of SoFi. SoFi is at $13.23. My average cost, $5.70. My return, $48,202.05. I have 300 shares of Google. Google's at $159.38. My average cost, $177.69. My return, I am down $5,491.50. I have 400 shares of Disney. Disney is at $91. My average cost, $114.49. My return, I am down $9,394.97. I have 200 shares of Target. Target is at $96.08. My average cost, $149.41. My return, I am down $10,666.50. I have 700 shares of Delta Airlines. Delta Airlines is at $41.88. My average cost, $54.92. My return, I am down $9,126.18. I have 400 shares of AMD. AMD is at $95.24. My average cost, $105.47. My return, I am down $4,092.92. I have 500 shares of Robinhood. Robinhood's at $49.17. My average cost, $34.03. My return, $7,568. This is a margin account. My margin total is $201,461.34. My margin used is $197,564.12. This gives me $3,897.22 in buying power. My margin status is low risk. This is determined by my buffer. When my buffer is greater than 5%, I'm low risk. And when my buffer is less than or equal to 5%, I'm high risk. Right now, my margin buffer is $33,203.41. That's a 27.37% buffer. So because I have a 27.37% buffer, I'm considered low risk for my margin status. My annual interest rate is 5.25%. The daily interest that I'm paying is $28.34, and I'm using $1,000 of margin interest free. So I'm holding up at 122K right now. The big news today was actually SoFi. I believe they reported today, and they did well. They were green earlier in the day. They were up like close to 10% today, but then throughout the day, they've just been going down and down. But anyways, I did change my covered call on my SoFi. What I did was I changed it from a $14 strike price to a $15 strike price. I believe I kept the same expiration. I just increased the strike price on the same expiration date. But let me check here. Yeah, so earnings, the estimated was 4 cents per share. Actual was 6 cents per share. And that was today. Here's an article from Yahoo Finance. It says SoFi finally turns the corner with record Q1 revenue. SoFi Technologies just delivered the kind of quarter investors have been waiting years for. Revenue hit a record $771 million, up 33% from last year. Adjusted EBITDA surged 46% to $210 million. And most importantly, SoFi stayed profitable, booking $71 million in net income, or 6 cents per share. This wasn't a fluke. It was a sign that SoFi's sprawling fintech ecosystem, from loans to investing to digital banking infrastructure, is finally working together. The member count jumped to 10.9 million. Product adoption hit new highs, and fee-based revenue soared 67%. For years, the question was, can SoFi actually make money doing all this? This quarter offered a clear answer. The company is now earning more on equity than it's spending to raise capital, a key shift shown in this ROE versus WACC chart. And the top line, it's been charging ahead for 12 straight quarters. CEO Anthony Noto pointed to product innovation and cross-sell strength as key drivers. Personal loan originations were strong, and SoFi's platform for partner lending is gaining traction fast. With confidence running high, SoFi raised its full-year forecast across revenue, profit, and EPS. For the first time, the business feels like it's not just growing, it's compounding. So this is great news out of the most recent earnings today. And that's why it was trading higher early in the day, even though it went down as the day went on. So it raised its guidance. It pretty much grew on everything: revenue, supplier count. I mean, it's just good news all around, honestly. And from what I've seen, from what I've read about the earnings today, a lot of good news coming out of here. Member count jumping up to 10.9 million. And I remember for the longest time, it was not actually earning money. It had negative EPS, but it's several quarters in a row now where it's reported positive EPS, which is good. It's very good. And it's the highest so far, 6 cents per share. I remember when it finally reported like 1 cent per share, and it was the first time it reported positive earnings. People went crazy for it. So it's continuing that trend, and a lot of good news coming out from the earnings from what I see. So I'm still invested in SoFi, and I actually raised my strike price for my covered calls just to give me some more room in case it goes up some more, so that I have more room to just, more chance to keep my shares rather than get them called away. So that's what happened today, and my portfolio is doing okay. Not a huge green day, but I mean, I'll take this over more market crashes. Anyways, that's pretty much it for now. I'll keep on making more updates like this so you guys can see what's happening with my portfolio. But that's pretty much it for this update. If you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll keep on making more of these videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.